In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Telegram account. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you do have any questions throughout the duration of this guide, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment, so just ask it down there. If you no longer want to use your Telegram account, keep in mind this is going to permanently delete all of your messages, contacts, and everything else. Here's how you can go ahead and delete it. Begin by opening up Telegram and going to your settings. That's going to be that little gear icon down in the bottom right. From here, scroll down until you see the specific option for privacy and security. It's going to be right here. And then on this section, what you're going to want to do is just scroll until you see the option for automatically delete my account. Now it's going to say if away for. What you're going to want to do is simply go ahead and change this from 18 months to either just 1 month or just hit delete account right now. From here, go ahead and select that. It's going to show you all these other alternative options. If you just want to delete your account, hit delete account down at the very bottom. You may have to press continue again and enter in your phone number to verify it, but after you do that, you'll be good to go and your Telegram account's going to be deleted. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.